everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. Store your pants or extra legs in this Ladybug toilet roll making today. These are the materials. First, cut a piece of black paper of the short side being the length of the toilet roll and cover the entire toilet roll with the black paper by sticking it on. Then, draw and cut out a red paper circle with a diameter of 5 cm. Fold it in half and then cut it with a pair of scissors. Next, using a black marker, draw black dots on each red semicircle to make ladybug wings. You can make them symmetrical to mimic a real one. Stick them together at one corner of the wing spread out and stick that corner onto the black toilet roll. Leave some space at the top of the roll for eyes. Next, put 2 dots of glue on the top of the roll to stick 2 googly eyes. Next, cut 2 black paper strips 0.5 cm by 3 cm and stick them ends together in a V shape. Stick the end of the V behind the eyes on the roll. That's it! Stick your pens into the top of the roll so they can stop rolling. Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.